Hello guys, in this video we are going to convert BTC to TRX on Trust Wallet. So it's pretty simple. So the first things you'll have to do is select your network and the coin. So for example, we are going to select our network first. So let's actually go with BNB Smart Chain because it works best with BNB Smart Chain right here. So first we will have to go to BNB right here and select wrap BTC, or we can search it right here in the top, BTC. So we have BTC, we also have your BNB Peg BTCB token, and many much more. So let's actually look for an easier one right here. So we also have Polygon mainnet. So actually just go with plain old Ethereum. Plain old Ethereum has Binance BTC wrap, and then we were gonna search TRX right here. So it's not gonna really show up, but TRX is not gonna show up here, but it has TRX wrapped coins on other networks. So let's check out Ethereum actually, and then search for TRX if it's available right here. Because it does not have a bridging options, this will not automatically bridge. But here you have TRX via Ethereum network. You can swap it. So if you have 100 Bitcoin, then you're rich. Let's just say we have 0.2 Bitcoin, which is like 20 grand there. And then you swap it into TRX right here, and then you're okay. So this is via the Ethereum network. And note that your network is something that you should take note of, plus the gas fees, of course. So the gas fees right here is going to be limited and shown below once you swap it and convert it in your Trust wallet. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.